Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your ChatGPT tab keeps freezing or popping up a page unresponsive error in Google Chrome, it is usually caused by conflicting extensions or an overloaded chat history. I will show you exactly how to stabilize your browser and get back to prompting right now. Let's get started. First, instead of wiping your entire Chrome browsing history, we can safely target the specific temporary files causing the AI interface to hang. Open Google Chrome, click the main address bar at the very top, and carefully type or paste this exact internal shortcut, chrome://settings/content/all, and press enter. Search for ChatGPT in the top right corner, click the trash can icon next to its entry, and hit the Clear button. This will log you out, but it forces Chrome to fetch a brand new, clean version of the web page without any corrupted background scripts. Next, third-party Chrome extensions, especially ad blockers, grammar checkers, or web scraping tools, frequently interfere with ChatGPT's live code and cause the page to crash. Click your address bar once again, clear out the previous text entirely, and enter this exact path, chrome://extensions, and hit enter. Temporarily toggle off every active extension you have running, and then refresh your ChatGPT page. If the site stops freezing and runs smoothly, you can turn your extensions back on one by one until you identify the exact culprit triggering the unresponsive error. Finally, if you are having very long conversations, the massive amount of generated text can overwhelm Chrome's graphics processing, leading to a permanent tab freeze. Go back to your Chrome address bar one last time, clear it out, and type in this exact command, chrome://settings/system, and press enter. Look for the setting called Use Graphics Acceleration when available and toggle it completely off. Click the Relaunch button that appears to restart Chrome, which changes how your computer renders heavy web elements and prevents those massive chat logs from locking up your browser. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.